All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Hetikem and welcome back to another tutorial. So before we dive into the look, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and do all the nice stuff. Share my video with your friends. So my hair is basically not washed. What I'm about to do is to put a line into my hair, and yeah, and afterwards I will just sprinkle a little bit of water and use my PCJ leave-in conditioner to make it a little bit softer so that I can hold it and have a band with it. So after putting a line inside my hair, I will just sprinkle water to make my hair a little bit softer because it's dry. I'm not really good when it comes to getting a straight line, but whichever way I do it, it's fine by me. As usual, I will use my styling gel, Maxim styling gel, and yeah. So if you like my video or you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. So as you see, my hair is done. I'll just put a scarf on it and then I'll sleep in. Tomorrow morning we shall see what happens. Good morning, wonderful people. So I woke up a few minutes ago, had my brows done, and right now I just want to unveil how my hair looks like after I slept over. This is how my back also looks like. If my line is not straight, please pardon me because I cannot see my back. So what I will do is I will cover my hair and then start with the makeup, and after the makeup is done, I will just put my hair extensions on it. So I have already color correct my face. As you see, I'm just blending that out. So right now I am done with my makeup. What I'm about to do is to deal with. So guys, I am done with the look. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share.